Hello everyone, my name is Evan Stegall. I'm a sales engineer for DocsCorp. In today's short video, I'm going to show you how to analyze and how to save a report in cleanDocs. So here I have a document in here with some changes, some comments in here, and if we go to File and to the Properties here, you see that all of this is filled out. So let's go and close this document. And let's just right click on it and do clean with cleanDocs. And here we have is our cleanDocs UI. Again, I want to go through and analyze it. I don't want to process it right away. I want to see what data can be cleaned before I actually go through and process and clean it. So we'll click on the Analyze button. It'll go through. You see this little triangle here. Let me go ahead and make this bigger. This little triangle here, we're going to click on it, and here you have your information and what type of metadata that can go through and be cleaned, and then you can also check or uncheck of how you please. So we'll go into the built-in document properties. Again, this is your info tab, and you see to the left is what the current value of the document is. So you see that lease contract, the arrangement letter, the author, and so forth. And to the right is going to be the new value, which is completely blank. But if you wanted to edit the new value, you can click on Edit New Value, and we can go through and put a title in. So I'm just going to call this Evan's Doc. So then let's say you're all set and done with this document, but you want to save it as a report. We can go down to this button right here, click Save Report. It'll pop up a window. Let me just go through and add some numbering in here just to have it different. And then we can go through, click on Save. It will then open up your report in a in a browser window. You can then click on the down arrow, and here you go. It's the same report that you see in the Analyze window in cleanDocs. It's just you can't be able to change any of the settings. And as you see with the title change, it does have my new title. And then when you're all set and done, you can go through and click on Process the Document. And if we go through and process the document, I'll just do a quick save as and just put this on my desktop. Click Save. It will go through and do all the cleaning that I had before. But if I go into File really quick, it will show you that the title is now the Evans Doc title, and everything else is just blank. So that's all I had to show you for today. If you have any questions or anything along the lines of that, please reach out to your account managers and we'll be happy to help you. And goodbye.